Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to take you through MineExcellence's Drill and Blast platform, specifically through one of our sub-modules around 2D, 3D, and drone-based blast designer. So we have a number of modules. The key aspects of the platform is it's a web and integrated mobile-based platform for drill and blast, one combined system for 2D, 3D, and drone-based data. Drone-enabled platform has the following advantages. It saves time on face and bench surveys, ability to do boat tracking, one integrated platform rather than separate systems, and hence provides flexibility. Front row burden analysis in a number of different ways to increase safety and a number of other aspects. So the key aspect of the MineExcellence platform is it's a drone-enabled platform, not a drone-only platform. So the ability to design, predict, and optimize on a number of things related with blast design, predicting and actuals, ability to capture blast history and drilling data, and a number of other utilities as well. So there are a number of applications around blast design and optimization, blasting predictors, drilling and MWD, blast data analysis, variation analysis, and utilities. So the following slides provide you some detailed product capabilities around the system capabilities. So ability to do face profiles, face and bench profiles, adding pre-split holes, generating hole details, including dip data, creating charging sheet which contain the charging details for each hole, both electric and electronic delays, making manual and automated corrections, showing firing sequence estimate delays, mud pile prediction, and a number of other features. So the key aspect is the flexibility on being able to do 2D, 3D, and complex drone-based blast designs on one platform in an integrated manner. I'm just going to hand over to our colleagues now to take you through a system demo. Thanks a lot.